Hello, friends. Today I'm going to tell you another new story, and the title of the story is A Poor Farmer. Once upon a time, a rich man used to live in a village. Because of his high status, he was very arrogant. One day, a poor farmer came to the rich man for help.
Sethji, I need your help.
What kind of help?
My fields were destroyed and I am jobless. My family members are so hungry. I have nothing to feed them.
So how can I help you?
Sethji, please lend me some money or give me a job.
If I give him money, he will not be able to return and my money will turn into bad debt. I think I should give him work in my farms. After all, I also need some farmers.
After thinking that, rich man told him,
Okay, fine. I will give you work in my field, but I will pay you rupees 200 only. If you agree, then come from tomorrow. Otherwise, you can go from here.
I am okay with that, Sethji.
Next morning, he went to the field for work. Now, the rich man used to get all his work done by that farmer. But still, he used to give him only 200 rupees.
Take your 200 rupees.
Thank you, Sethji.
After some time, the work of fields has been finished. Then, the rich man thought,
Now I don't need that farmer because he has already completed my field's work. I think now I should tell him to go back.
After thinking that, he goes straight to the farmer and said,
Take your money and don't come from tomorrow. You have finished my field's work. Now I don't need you.
Please, Sethji, don't shut me out from this. I am a poor man. I don't have money. I need this job.
So what shall I do? My farm work is over. Now you take your money and go from here.
After saying this, he terminated the farmer. Next morning, the farmer sat outside of rich man's house. When rich man came outside, then he saw that the farmer sat there. The rich man asked him,
What are you doing here? I have terminated you.
Please, Sethji, don't throw me out from this job. I really need it.
Hey you, get out of my house. I don't have any work for you.
The rich man got angry with him and thrown him out. But the next day, the farmer again done the same thing. After seeing this, the rich man again asked him,
Hey you, again. What are you doing here?
Good morning, Sethji. Only you can give me this job. Please, Sethji, give me some work.
I already told you that I don't have any work for you. Get out of here.
Earlier, you were giving me 200 rupees. If you want, then you can give me only 100 rupees. But please give me the job.
Don't you understand? Go from here and don't come back again.
But the next day, the farmer again sat outside of rich man's house, and for some days, the same thing happening continuously. The rich man became irritated, and he thought of an idea to get rid of that farmer.
This farmer is irritating me a lot. I should leave this city for a few days.
Next day, the rich man leaves the city before farmer comes. He took his family with him, and after a few days, the rich man came back home with his family. He was happy because he did not find the farmer sitting outside his home. Till few days, everything was fine. But after some time, the rich man thought,
How it can be possible? Now he doesn't come here. What happened to him? Did he got any job? Or something else? I have to find out.
After thinking this, the rich man goes to find the poor farmer. He asked from other farmers about him.
Have you seen that farmer who was working at my fields?
No, sir. I have no idea about him.
Yes, we also don't know about him.
No, sir. I also don't know about him.
Suddenly, Another farmer came there and said,
Yes, sir. I know where is he.
Really? If you know, then please tell me.
When you were not at your home, that time some thief came into your house. That farmer also sat there by luck. That farmer tried a lot to stop them, and they fought with each other. Because of this, the farmer got injured. That's why he is taking rest at his home.
After hearing this, the rich man realized his mistake. He went to meet him and told him,
I am sorry, brother. I did wrong with you. I should not have done that. Take your remaining payment that I haven't given you earlier.
Thank you, Sethji.
So, friends, the moral of this story is that we should treat everyone well because we never know when that person who we are treating as a liability become a savior.